come little here. That's good. Okay, go. Not too much. Release. Okay. Good. Okay. You see now that one. So now you can go straight until the second line. Now you know how to manage the wheel. Then don't hit the taki. You are hitting taki. Okay, go little there. Okay, now you know how you can see. Okay. Okay, come here. You park. What I say when you park, clutch, brake. Okay, neutral. Brake, okay, remove. Okay, so good. That one now you are good. So you are good. You know reverse, okay. Reverse, clutch, brake, remove the handbrake. Okay. Put reverse, you did not put reverse, you are in neutral. Okay. Remove your foot on the brake. Release the clutch, little. Let it go. You see you are not straight, you straight. Okay. Good. Okay. You want to park? Okay, park it. Okay, clutch. Yeah, you can park there. This one. There. Okay. Put neutral. Okay. Then put first gear. Okay. Remove your foot on the brake, release the clutch, little. See? Put in between the two lines, okay? Some more. You are too far. Some more. Little more, I think. I can see. Be careful. Yeah, you can. Yeah. You can come little more. 6 inches. You're good? Don't kill me, huh? Okay, some more. Yeah. Okay. Put neutral. Okay. You see? Now you know. Like that.
Okay.
No, it's not straight, but that is your first parking, so you will be fine. Okay? That's it.